Hello, people of the internet. I'm going to fix my camera. 1 second. What? I think that looks good. Maybe. How is this? Oh, it's okay. Alright, so hello. I got a comment that it's pretty weird that I just eat in silence and I don't say anything. So today I'm gonna try and speak while I eat completely alone. Haha. This one is my chickpea tofu vegan wrap. Oh, it's one of my favorites. At Wicked Cafe, we make this totally from scratch. It's our own recipe. We make our own hummus and we marinate our own tofu for this one, so it's really delicious. Very, very yummy. I'm gonna fix my camera one more time. Sorry. Okay, I think that's okay. Here we are. So let's see how today's mukbang goes. First bites for you. They're so good. I love this. Probably one of the healthiest things on our menu, which is great. The cafe was pretty steady today. Not too busy. I saw a lot of my regulars. I made a big batch of muffin dough and I made like 1,000,000 blueberry muffins as well. Crazy popular. I really wonder, how do other people keep talking on this app, or yes, YouTube? I'm pretty shy about talking a lot. Yesterday I helped some of my friends set up their tree. It's super awesome looking. I'm really excited for all the Christmas parties this December. It's gonna be awesome. I think the Christmas party that I'm gonna go to, they're doing a white elephant, which is basically where everyone buys like one really expensive gift, and then we, one by one, pick a random gift and we open it. And that is the gift you get, unless the next person or the next people ask to switch with you. Something like that. I'm not great with rules. It's always really fun. I want to pick a really good gift this year. Make everyone fight for it. So location of Wicked Cafe, they are thinking about doing a Secret Santa again. I think those are really fun. It's great for team bonding. I can't remember what gift I got last year. I think I got this really nice sweater. Not sweater, scarf. Really pretty. I love it. I still use it. I should totally plan out what to say during these things. But you know, still practicing, seeing what's good. I bet it's really boring to watch 6 minutes of me just shoving my pie hole. For Christmas this year, I would really like a nice soft blanket. Like just really cozy, warm blanket. I can never have enough blankets. I sleep with like 2 to 3. I just feel awesome just being bundled up, like having a little wrap. Burrito wrap. Best feeling. I've been kind of trying to drink less coffee. It's kind of working. I've only had like 2 shots of espresso in the last 48 hours. Pretty good. But it's really hard because I work in a coffee shop and I love coffee. But besides that, I have given up drinking Coca-Cola. I've quit. I'm actually a little addicted to Coca-Cola. Oh, am I allowed to say Coca-Cola? I don't know. This is really awesome. We sell the chickpea tofu vegan wrap at both locations. So this is the second location, but we also sell it at the first location. And online for Uber Eats and DoorDash. Wow. I've been teaching myself Cantonese. I really want to learn just enough to take customers' orders. I think that'd be really cool. I think I'd be really proud of myself if I could do that. I have a coworker who is fluent in Cantonese, so I've been kind of bothering her a little bit with my random questions, my terrible accent. But you know, it's okay, it's all good. Okay. Thank you for joining me for my dinner. Let me know if talking is okay for my mukbangs. I'm so embarrassed. Also, let me know what I should eat next.